So I'm going to talk about Ethereum. Ethereum, unfortunately, when I say unfortunately, it has pumped this much. So there is already a market action that has happened, and as I covered in the algo video, I had shared that in my community, which is on Telegram, but I didn't get time to come here and make videos. So unfortunately, I couldn't tell you to buy this thing around 2900, which was shared 9 days ago. But now we are here. We are going to talk about what the market can offer. And as I see Ethereum at this stage, because of the ETF news and everything else, Ethereum is bullish, but that doesn't mean that Ethereum cannot retrace. So the Ethereum first point of retracement, and again, it's not bearish. It's just that everything that goes up, it comes down. So I'm expecting it to retrace towards 3200. And after that, it can start going towards, let's make it actually more reasonable. Let's call it 3300. So we can expect Ethereum to go as low as 3300 before it starts rallying towards $4,000, 4,500, and then break that and then start its journey towards $5,000. Ethereum is in its bullish structure. It was in a perpetual downward trend, but 2,800 to 2,900, that range was a decision making point, because on a daily time frame it was the point where it had to break that downward trend and start an upward trend, and over there I had to wait for 2 days for 2 candles to form. My 2 candle theory, when I used to cover 4 hours, you used to talk about 8 hours waiting before deciding if this is real or fake. The same concept applies here. With Ethereum, that made that decision and it broke out of that structure. Now $3,000 is a very solidified psychological and chart wise a very strong structure, because its support is all the way down at 2,900. So you don't expect it to break below $3,000. But for this structure that we see right now, where Ethereum is sitting at 3,784, we expect Ethereum actually to hold $3,300, and then afterwards it would continue to go up. So a bit of retracement is not bad, but if it decides not to retrace and go towards $4,000 is not unrealistic either. The market is extremely bullish when it comes to Ethereum because of the news and everything around it. So I would say that if you're already in Ethereum, then holding on to it instead of trading it would be a better idea. But if you're not in Ethereum, then on spot, of course, it doesn't matter if it retraces to 3,300. That doesn't hurt you that much. But if you are on leverage and you're doing leverage trading, then that's going to be a bit of a pickle, because that means that you cannot use a higher leverage, and you need to ensure that your stop loss is way below. It's sitting, if you're trying to be secure, it's sitting at $2,900, and you don't expect it to go back towards $2,900 and hold on. So but if you are someone who doesn't, that kind of a stop loss is a stretch. I think even $3,300 from here is a bit of a stretch. Let me see how much is that. Just a second. Let's assume it is 3,800 minus 3,300. That's 500 on a 3,800. That is 13%. Yeah, that is a lot. That is a lot, because generally such stop losses on leverages, they are crazy. But all in all, like I said, unfortunately it is in a place where I cannot give you anything better than this. It is what it is. So I have to take it on the face value. If I had made videos, started making videos again from yesterday, we would have been in a different case scenario. So this is the situation for retracement, and that doesn't mean it's bearish. It is still bullish. It's just that it can retrace as well, and that is the retracement towards 3,300 before it starts going towards 4,500. But I'm expecting it to go towards 4,500 because it is due, and I'm expecting an altcoin season that has already started, for me at least, and I expect it to continue to go up.